So if the citizens are coming out and making demands for justice, the judiciary, except if it has something to hide, shouldn't see
no, she's the one speaking.
Intimidated, right? And so, first of all, the citizens must come out and let the judiciary know that look, enough is enough. We want a nation that works for everyone else, and that's what a lot of people are already doing. Coming out to say, we're not here to question, we're not here to blame, we're not simply to do your job and do it very well. Believe in Nigeria and stand for Nigeria, and don't do something that is just for a few people. The practitioners are going there and they're just sitting down in the court. They're not saying anything. They can't say much because anything they do to be seen as if, you know, the intimidation that you're talking about. Yeah. So this is outside because this is something that also involves them, and they must let them know. And right now they're already feeling the pulse of the nation. And the most important thing is to ensure we have the evidence, to overwhelm them with evidence. And that's what this case is all about. Beyond the 25%, because it's on 4 grounds, right? You have the 25% that the court might decide to its interpretation. So if they decide to interpret it, then we have another case on the issue of the forfeiture that Tinubu did. And that is something that is there. So the evidence to overwhelm the court, right? Okay. And then because this whole thing, let me tell you, it's about data integrity. Okay. It's not about whether anybody likes anybody or whatever. Elections, the results were doctored, erased, you know, plain changed, you could see mutilated. Yeah. And so those are things that will come. So you see something, for example, something is 201. Then they turn the 0 and 1 to one big 0. And you can see it in a crude manner. So these are the things that we have to let the court, you know, work on and say these are the things that are there. Then the other thing also is the nomination. Okay. The vice presidential, the running mate of Tinubu had double nomination at a particular time. Even if it's for 1 hour. It's a double nomination that was against the law. The Electoral Act is very clear. You cannot have double nomination at any time. You cannot be a member of 2 parties at the same time. Neither can you have 2 different double, and he has for a second time. So these are the things we need to put on the board.
But my question is that knowing all that, knowing all those things, the problem we have is that when you look at something like happened in Imo State and the Sarakit issue, right? Right? Is it so?
No, what's his name? Ahmed Lawan.
Ahmed Lawan, I'm sorry. Are they going to say, okay, we're going to go ahead, who's going to hold them accountable to do the right thing?
So, the thing is this. First of all, if you remember, let's go back a little bit. Once upon a time, citizens were told they can't do anything. And they believed them. And until they participated in the process, that was when we can now clearly see that these people that we thought knew politics, they did it. There's an illusion of power that these politicians have. That's why a lot of people say, oh, Tinubu cannot lose Lagos. Even when we're telling them that we're going to beat Tinubu in Lagos with big margin. So what normally happens is that when you don't participate in a process, you will automatically throw yourself out of it. And that's what has been happening. In this whole time, Nigerians have never focused on the judiciary. We focus on the executive arm of government, we focus on the legislative arm of government, we focus on the judiciary. This time Nigerians are interested. This time Nigerians are invested. This time Nigeria are focused on them. And I see what is happening. The electoral condition is always between politicians. They're now citizens are involved. So that's involved them. That's high on them. And that's what also Nigerians in diaspora, Nigerians in Nigeria, everyone, the international community should put eye on the judiciary and say, you need to do the next. In Kenya, when Kenya did what they did, it wasn't because the judiciary wanted to. It was the citizens that put their eye on them and said, look, it will no longer be business as usual. You need to do the right thing. And they ended up doing the right thing. And I think so. Let's not walk with the kind of open the past. We didn't war, yes, and then we allow it. Otherwise, we are self-defeating ourselves. So we won't take that. Amen. We'll continue that.
Amen.